I am solving another question on the same half angle formulae. Please see here. If in triangle ABC cot A by 2 is to cot B by 2 is to cot C by 2 is equal to 3:5:7, show that A is to B is to C is equal to 6:5:4. I am proceeding, please see here. Cot A by 2 is to cot B by 2 is to cot C by 2, 3:5:7. Cot A by 2 we have a formula. Cot B by 2 the similar formula, and also for cot C by 2. Three is to 5 is to 7. S by delta is a common factor in all the three, so you remove S by delta. S minus A is to S minus B is to S minus C is 3:5:7. May I rewrite S minus A by 3 is equal to S minus B by 5 is equal to S minus C by 7 is equal to K. Suppose, say means suppose. Therefore, S minus A is 3K, S minus B is 5K, S minus C is 7K. Adding S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, 3K plus 5K plus 7K. This is 3S minus A minus B minus C, or may I say A plus B plus C is equal to, this is 15K. 3K plus 5K plus 7K is 15K. 3S minus 2S is equal to 15K, or shall we say S is equal to 15K. Understand very well. Once again quickly from here, cot A by 2 this is the formula, cot B by 2 this is the formula, cot C by 2 this is the formula. S by delta is a common factor from all the ratios removed. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C is equal to 3:5:7, meaning S minus A by 3 is equal to S minus B by 5 is equal to S minus C by 7 is equal to K. S minus A is 3K, S minus B is 5K, S minus C is 7K. Adding all these, S minus A plus S minus B plus S minus C, 3K plus 5K plus 7K, that is 3S minus 2S is equal to 15K. Now please see here, S minus A is equal to 3K. You got the value of S just now, substitute. This will give you A is equal to 12K. S 15K minus A is 3K, this is A is equal to 12K. Next, S minus B is equal to 5K. S is 15K minus B is equal to 5K. This will give you B is equal to 10K. And lastly, S minus C. $15K minus C is equal to 7K. That means C is equal to 8K. So we have now A is equal to 12K, B is equal to 10K, C is equal to 8K. What is required is A is to B is to C. Therefore, A is to B is to C is equal to 12K 10K, 8K. A is to B is to C is equal to, this is 654 dividing by 2. 6:5:4. We have proved it. Another important question, rather important type, please see. If in triangle ABC, cot A by 2, cot B by 2, cot C by 2 are in AP, show that the sides too are in AP. Solving. This is given. Cot A by 2, cot B by 2, cot C by 2 are in AP. That means, see carefully, S into S minus A by delta for cot A by 2, S into S minus B by delta for cot B by 2, S into S minus C by delta for cot C by 2 are in AP. Cot A by 2, cot B by 2, cot C by 2 are in AP. S into S minus A by delta for cot A by 2, S into S minus B by delta for cot B by 2, S into S minus C by delta for cot C by 2 are in AP. Remove the common factor S by delta from all. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C are in AP. Remove S from all. Are in AP. Multiply all by minus 1. The question is over, solution is over. I have to say a lot of things about it now. Please see. Regarding AP, please see here. 3, 5, 7 are in AP. If I multiply all by a common number, say I am multiplying by 10, they still are in AP. It means if the terms of an AP are multiplied by a constant, I repeat, if the terms of an AP are multiplied by constant, the resultant numbers too will be in AP. Same thing if you divide all these by some common number, say 5. 5 6 are 30, 5 10 are 50, 5 14 times. Dividing by 5. Dividing by a constant, again it is an AP only. So, what is the conclusion? The conclusion is, if you multiply the terms of an AP by a constant, the resultant numbers continue to remain in AP. If you divide the terms of an AP by a constant number, say 5 in this case, the resultant numbers continue to remain in AP. Same thing for any other AP you can see here 1 4 7, this is AP. I am adding some number to all, say I am adding 6. Any number 7 10 13 still AP. It means if you add a constant number to the terms of an AP, the remaining terms, the remaining series or the resultant series will still be in AP. Same thing with minus also, with multiplication also. Suppose you are subtracting 2 from here, subtracting 2 from here, subtracting 2 from here, you can see it is still AP. So, we have come to a conclusion now. Look here. If the terms of an AP be increased by, means adding, decreased by means subtracting, multiplied by or divided by a constant number. May I read once again? If the terms of an AP be increased by, that is adding something, decreased by subtracting something, multiplied by or divided by a constant quantity, then the resultant series or resultant numbers continue to remain in AP. This is an important property of AP. It will be used in solving so many questions. These are only examples given, not a part of any solution. Solving one more question, please see. P1, P2, P3 are the altitudes on the sides ABC of a triangle. Show this. See here. Triangle ABC. You know, this is A, this is B, this is C. P1 is the altitude on A. P2 on B, P3 on C, I will draw later, there is no hurry. P1 is the altitude on A, and you have already done in the beginning of this chapter, area of triangle is equal to half A P1. 1 by 2 base into height, half A P1. Area of triangle is also equal to half B P2. See here. Delta is equal to half CP3. This is also shown in the beginning of this chapter, once again given here, delta half AP1, delta half BP2 or delta half CP3. It means P1 is equal to 2 delta by A, P2 is equal to 2 delta by B, P3 is equal to 2 delta by C. This has also come in the beginning of this chapter. Now, what's your question? P1, P2, P3 are the altitudes. Okay. Show that this is equal to P1 power minus 1, P2 power minus 1, P3 power minus 1. Let us start. Firstly, left hand side. To AB cos square C by 2 by A plus B plus C delta. To AB cos square C by 2 by A plus B plus C plus into delta. To AB as it is, cos square C by 2, there is a formula S into S minus C by AB, no under root because of cos square. To AB cos square C by 2, A plus B plus C is S delta. See once again, 2AB cos square C by 2 without root because it is square here. A plus B plus C is 2S delta. Shall we do some cancellations? 2 will cancel this 2, AB will cancel this AB, S will cancel this S, and you have simply S minus C by delta left out. Check up. 2 is cancelled, AB is cancelled, S also is cancelled. S minus C by delta left out. This is the simplification of the first part. 2AB cos square C by 2 by A plus B plus C delta. I am going for secondly the right hand side. P1 power minus 1, P2 power minus 1 minus P3 power minus 1. Right hand side. P1 power minus 1 means 1 by P1. 1 by P2. 1 by P3. P1 is 2 delta by A. So 1 by P1 will be A by 2 delta. B by 2 delta. C by 2 delta. There is a minus sign here. P1 power minus 1, that is 1 by P1, 1 by P2 minus 1 by P3. P1 is 2 delta by A. So may I write 1 by P1 as A by 2 delta, B by 2 delta, C by 2 delta. Join them, A plus B minus C by 2 delta. A plus B minus C, you already know it is 2 times S minus C by 2 delta. So this is S minus C by delta. Left hand side has been simplified, S minus C by delta. Right hand side has been simplified, S minus C by delta. 1 and 2 agree, the result follows.